On January 5th, Deepika Padukone celebrated her 35th birthday and her millions of fans as well as colleagues and friends from the film industry wished her through social posts on social media. Hrithik Roshan also wished Deepika with a lovely tweet, and Deepika responded to the tweet while hinting at a big celebration in a few days. This led fans to speculate whether the two will be announcing a film together soon. This reply piqued their fans' curiosity and they wondered if Deepika and Hrithik will announce a film together. While one fan wrote, "Listen to us and do a movie together now," while another fan tweeted, "Do a movie with him ASAP." However, many others pointed out that Hrithik Roshan's birthday is in a few days and perhaps Deepika was referring to that. Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh's fondness for Hrithik Roshan hasn't been a secret. After watching War, Deepika Padukone had tweeted, "Hrithik in War is like death by chocolate from corner house, just saying," along with a drooling emoji. She also mentioned in an interview that Ranveer Singh and she would hit pause while watching War and compliment him by saying, "Kya naachta hai, kya dikhta hai."